Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're looking at the Mermaid Tarot by Leeza Robertson and it's illustrated by Julie Dillon. This retails for $29.99. It's published by Llewellyn and I will link everywhere I know that you can find it down in the description box below. No affiliate links. I'm not sponsored or paid for these videos. I just want you guys to be able to look through the deck and see if it's something that you would want to purchase. I wish this type of video was around when I started out tarot. That's all I got to say. Anywho, I received this box and it got pretty dinged up. I don't know if that was due to the shipping or what, but a little sad. That's okay though. It's just a box. So let's see. 78 cards and a 288 page full color guidebook. Tarot divination with the magic of the mermaids and essence of the sea. The merfolk are teachers and guides born in a watery world of mystical mythology and powerful energy. This elegantly illustrated Rider-Waite based deck invites you to receive the lessons and blessings of the spiritual realm, offering the insights you need to move forward through the challenges and barriers that we all must face. Now more than ever, the songs of the mermaid are calling the people of the land. Let their magic be your guide. I don't know if you guys know or not, but I absolutely obsess over mermaids. Got my ring on. We're ready to roll. So it's a hinged book. We're going to open it up. Oh, look, they're little scale patterns. Ah, cute. Okay. Yay. I love me a ribbon. Oh, that's a thick guidebook. Oh, little fish. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Okay. Put you aside. Oh, great. We're going to see me struggle for a minute. Oh, come on. There we go. I heard a pop there. Okay. Trash. Let's see first if there's anything in the guidebook that we need to look at. We have the flow of the deck, taking the cards for a swim, and then the meanings, and then we have, ooh, mermaid magic and spreads. Okay, cute. Flow of the deck. So it talks about the major and the minor, the numbers. Okay. And then it tells you how to shuffle, how to give a reading. And then it says, generally speaking, a reversal in a card is drawn upside down. Let's see. Okay. I thought it was going to say whether or not they do it. Okay. Major arcana. Oh, it does. Okay. So it has the upright meaning and the reversal. All right. Perfect. Let's get into the cards. So like the other Llewellyn tarot decks that I have, it is a similar size and thickness. That is the back. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, all right. And here we go. Okay, this is totally giving me Ariel at the end of The Little Mermaid vibes when she gets to be on land again. Okay, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring you down a little bit. There we go. This is very interesting. Ooh, look at this. I love. All right, already some diversity. Love it. Oh. Cute. A seahorse. Ooh. Little octopus man. Love it. Okay. I'm loving this deck so far. I'm excited. Wow. Oh my gosh, what an awesome hanged man. Oh man, that's kind of sad though. Okay, that's a sad card. It's an interesting Death and Devil card. I don't hate either. It's just very different. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the fact that it's different, it's unique, and it has diversity. Wow. Okay. Loving it. How sweet is this deck? My gosh. So yeah, the imagery is really great for the beginner as well as all the way through any experience level, because you can definitely see the picture and what's going on. You can use your intuition really well with this deck. So beginner, Ariel's Grotto, a beginner friendly deck for sure. I'm excited to see how it reads in the guidebook. But as far as the imagery goes, this is really good. Fantastic. They feel good in the hand. They're a great size. Loving it. Wow. I'm kind of stunned right now. Oh, I love it. Wow. This like might be a new favorite deck for me. I know I say that about like all of the decks that I review, but like honestly, I feel like this is very powerful. The imagery is fantastic. Okay, we're in the Pentacles now. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's a frog. She's part frog. Interesting. This really is a cute stinking deck. I mean, for me, this deck is hitting all the marks. This has been out for a while. I'm not sure exactly when. There should be a copyright. But so far, it's hitting everything that I would want out of a deck. As far as there's diversity, the imagery is great. The imagery makes sense. It's smooth feeling in your hands. There's no big borders. It evokes a lot of feelings out of you for sure. My gosh. It's not just a cutesy mermaid deck, which I'm excited about, because sometimes you want a little bit of a deeper feeling when you get a deck, right? This definitely gives you some feelings here. And I like that each suit of the minor has different areas that it's focusing on. Like right now, the swords were in a colder climate. The pentacles were more earthy. The wands seem to be more of the volcano tropical areas. And then the cups just seem to be, if I remember correctly, like out at sea. And to me, that makes sense because of what the suits represent. This is just absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of blown away, not gonna lie. I am curious to know what you guys think. I mean, not everybody loves mermaids, but for those of us who do, I think this is a fantastic little deck. And it shuffles great. I knew it would because it's the same quality as the other Llewellyn decks that I have, like the Everyday Witch Tarot, the Wizard's Tarot, Forest of Enchantment. So yeah, I have no complaints so far. So what I do want to see, however, is how the guidebook, how you would read each card in the guidebook. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see if there's a card that is going to fly out for me. Which card wants to be read? Come on, give me a card. Okay, well that's too many. So we're going to take the star because that one's beautiful. Okay, so then we go into this big old book here, the star. Some wishes vibrate so strongly that they never have to be spoken out loud. The wishes are carried on the breeze and become tossed and churned over the waves and eventually mix with the rhythm of the sea foam. The dream weaver hears the sea foam song and catches the melody in her magical conch shell. Under the watchful gaze of the evening star, the dream weaver plays the conch shell in a tune filled with the heart's desires of all those who hold a special wish in their hearts, sending it back to the universe as a wish fulfilled. All right, so the upright meaning is that big dream, wish, or goal, the one that scares you so much that you won't even allow yourself to think about it for longer than a second, is screaming at the top of its lungs. Your heart is talking to the universe, and the dream weaver is listening. Sometimes our biggest and scariest dreams, wishes, and goals are part of our karmic journey. They will come to pass whether we believe we deserve them or not. Now is one of those times. Your heart is setting the course of your next adventure, and the dream weaver has answered its call. And then it has the reversed meaning. Okay, ooh, there's my camera. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with this deck. Like, it checks so many boxes here for me. And I feel like it evokes the right emotions out of you. I feel like it's got the diversity. It's got the right meanings. It's definitely got enough information for you if you're a beginner to understand. It's got enough information for anybody, whatever level you're at with the readings. I think it's brilliant. I think it's gorgeous. I think I'm excited to start using it. To me, it's definitely indicative of the deck that you choose when you have a feeling toward it. So a lot of the times I get asked, how do you know if you're going to connect with a deck? If you relate to how I reacted to this deck, then that is a definite sign for you to go and get that deck for you to read on. I always will tell you, if it creates a reaction that you just want to use it right away, if you feel strongly toward it, use it, because whether you're learning, if you are a beginner, it's going to help you learn that much more because you want to use it. You want to see the imagery. You want to feel the energy off of the cards as well. If you don't have a strong reaction to the deck, then you're not going to want to use it. It's not going to be one that you use every day or use for your clients. It's going to sit on your shelf. And to me, I feel like that's sad. So that's why I want to do, or I have been and do these videos for you guys, because it allows you to see how the deck is And if you react to it, then it's, you know, that's a good deck for you to buy, and you're not wasting money, right? You're not wasting $30 if you don't have a reaction to it. So anyway, I absolutely love it. I think it's fantastic. I think this is a great purchase. The quality is great. I have nothing but nice and positive things to say about this deck. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Is this a deck that you're considering purchasing? Is this a deck that you already own? How are your thoughts and feelings toward this? I'm really curious to know. Let me know down in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And as always, thank you so much. I so enjoy you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.